In today's video, I am going to teach you how to increase views with Telegram Fake Views bot. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that using fake view services can violate platform rules, damage your credibility, and even risk account restrictions. Views that aren't real don't translate into genuine engagement or growth. So instead of relying on shortcuts that can backfire, I'll show you a practical, safe approach to earn more views that actually stick and help your channel grow long-term. Start by improving the quality and clarity of each post. Lead with a strong first line that instantly tells people why the content matters. Pair your message with a compelling image, short video, or clean infographic to stop the scroll. Keep text concise and scannable. Break up longer thoughts and add a clear call to action, such as inviting readers to share, react, or comment. If your content benefits from discoverability, include a few relevant hashtags and consistent keywords so your posts are easier to find. Timing makes a big difference. Post when your audience is most active and test a few time slots over a week to see what performs best. Use Telegram's scheduling to maintain consistency. And consider a predictable cadence like a weekly roundup or a daily tip, so subscribers know when to expect new content. Leverage your existing networks. Share your channel link on other social platforms, your website, and email newsletters. Forward standout posts to relevant groups you manage, and encourage loyal members to forward content thoughtfully to friends who would genuinely value it. Collaborations and shoutouts with creators in your niche can introduce your channel to engaged audiences who are more likely to stick around. Use Telegram's built-in features to drive interaction. Polls, quizzes, reactions, and stories can all increase time spent with your content and prompt shares. Pin key posts to keep high-value content visible. If you publish a series, label each part clearly and link to previous entries to boost session depth. Track what works. If your channel has access to statistics, check reach, forwards, and top sources to see which topics, formats, and posting times land best. Double down on high-performing themes and retire what underperforms. If you have a budget, consider ethical promotion through relevant channels or official ad tools. Targeting users who are likely to care about your content. Keep your messaging honest and your promises realistic. Sustainable growth comes from real people finding real value. Focus on helpful content, consistent delivery, and respectful promotion. And your view count will rise in a way that lasts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.